Welcome, everybody. This is Vandana Suri from the Drive, Smiles and Smiles show. And I have a very, very special guest, Mridula Sharma here. Mridula ji runs an awesome page, okay? And she's like my doctor at this point of time. And she deals with very natural medication. She runs an entire blog show. Mridula ji, please tell me about yourself and what you do and the book that you've written before we dive into driving.
Thank you so much, Vandana, for that introduction. My main book and the first book is Wow, No Side Effects. Means by following that, you'll not have any side effects. I thought I'd keep the book with me and forgot to get it.
No problem.
So based on that, I'm also running the page that you said, the group Ask No Side Effects, which has more than 41,000 members now.
Oh, lovely, lovely.
Yeah. And I have written more books because I self-published this book. So the editor Femina Chichi came to interview me, and she was asking me how I self-published the books and wrote a book. I did, yeah, in the beautiful atmosphere which I got in Dehradun. And then, of course, came the book, which came because of the heading. The title of the book is We All Have Our Genie. Learn to Rub the Magic Lamp. Isn't it the beautiful title? We all have a genie. The genie is there inside us, but we don't know how to rub the magic lamp. So that's it.
You are going to pick my muse now. I mean, really, this is what I want to tell all the women as well, that, you know, we all have it inside us. The magic is inside us. What are we looking outside for? Awesome. So viewers, I must also tell you about Mridula ji. You know, every time I put up a post, so she's part of a lot of my groups, okay? And every time I put up a post on, you know, Taxi Break Free, where we are training women how to drive, and I see this amazing post back from Mridula ji, and it just makes my entire day. She has so many memories of how she learned driving, and, you know, so I'm going to take you back. Mridula ji, forget your age right now. We'll go back to being a little girl at this point of time, okay? We'll relive all your life. Now, give me your first memory of cars. Who was your hero? Who were you looking at while you were sitting in a car? Who was that I want to be person?
I had long forgotten this. Long forgotten. Probably the very first one was when I was 4 years old. I and my cousin, there used to be a big car parked in one of the garages in my grandfather, my nana's house. And my 7-year-old cousin and I, we used to go to that garage. I would sit at the driver's seat and he would go and he would try with the handle. Of course, both of us couldn't do anything. Next was when I was 7 and he was 10 and his sister was getting married. His sister means we all lived together. Both the sisters were brought up by my mother. So that is when a driver, my uncle's driver, was also there. And he was interested in teaching us children how to drive. Of course, I'm a short-statured woman. So at 7, I would have been even much shorter. So I couldn't reach, even with the help of a pillow. But my cousin is a tall boy.
But he
could do it. He learned. He used to keep a pillow and he learned how to drive. Like he moved the car here and there.
At the age of 10?
Yeah, but I learned the steps. We came back and I used to sit till I got the car at 18 years of age. I used to sit on the chair and I used to do all those moves. Okay, this and then this and then this and then this. And before 18, I used to pester my mother to get me a scooter. She said, no, scooter's two-wheeler. You can fall off anytime. I'll buy you a car. What more does the little girl want? So just holding the key, the car key, was enough for me.
Wow. How lovely is that? Thank God for such mommies, na. I mean, like, go girl, go. This is amazing. Nice. So tell me, you were telling me a lot of stories. How you learned? You learned in Masuri, is it? Between
Not
all, I'm.
Missouri.
Uh-huh.
We lived in Dehradun.
Dehradun, yes. Yeah.
We lived in Dehradun,
Uh-huh.
and it was a huge house which had not many trees. So
Uh,
one uncle and aunt had come to stay with us. They were there for 2 months with us. And my aunt would put on her dressing gown. She would come out and she would make me practice reverse in the figure of 8 around the lychee trees. And at 18, on the road to Missouri, that means, the Ghat section. And it was
mm,
August. So August means it was rainy season, July, August. So it was rains at night. And my driver used to take me into those very busy roads. And
mm.
the age is such that you're not scared. You're full of enthusiasm. So
Wow.
I was much confident. Then every time a cousin came home, I taught them how to drive inside the house itself. The house was quite big. Like we could move the car here and there and amid the trees and all of that. So as time passed by, then I had my own children and I started teaching them as soon as they grew a little taller to sit in the car and to be able to handle. So my daughter was
Wow.
12 when I taught her. And we went to Calcutta. Calcutta, I had a niece ready, 16-year-old. And my brother-in-law said, now she's come, girls, why don't you pick up? Why don't you learn to drive? So I used to take them all, my sister-in-law, that is my husband's sister, my niece and my daughter. And we used to go around to those Calcutta lanes and I taught them to drive.
How
So,
beautiful. So you actually run what we run today. We run the taxi break free, where we are training women how to drive, and you've been running that for all these years. I mean, hats
so
off.
yours would be, a perfect this thing. Mine was a mother's teaching.
But while you talk about Dehradun and you actually, talk about your figure 8 around all the trees, and I actually get deported, into something like this, and I'm actually imagining how it must have been. Actually, tell me one thing. When you started driving at 18, okay, so this is a little giggly girl talk here. The guys must have been so gaga about like, wow, this babe knows how to drive. Or how was the college that time?
It came much later in life when my daughter, she was working and she said,
Mhm.
Mama, I can buy a car. The company allows me, it gives me a company or whatever. She said, I can buy a car. I said, okay, bye.
Mhm.
So that is the time we bought 2 cars for 2 girls. So
Mhm.
her boss, who had never seen a
Mhm.
car, he also bought the car at the same time. And this girl, as soon as she got the car in hand, she was driving. She was going to office in her car. So her boss, he was just amazed. He said, "Where did you learn the car, Mama?" She says,
How
"That is it." So that is
nice.
how it is between men and yeah. One thing I didn't know how to was to park in between, reverse and park in between 2 cars.
Uh-huh.
And my
Uh-huh.
husband made fun of me. He said, you park here and show. I had no need to because there was no need to park like that in a place like Dehradun. You got parking anywhere.
Yeah.
So on Brigade Road, that inside road, he taught me in between the 2 cars. He was the automobile engineer too.
How
So
lovely,
that
no?
is what I learned from him.
Your
But
whole
there
family
was
has, your whole family has been very instrumental in you learning more about the driving. It's such a supportive family.
my
Mm.
mother used to say that every girl should know how to drive. Actually, if I
Mhm.
take you back before I was born, my mother was still a girl and there was one Dr. Atri whose wife used to drive
Hmm.
an old Ford, and that car could come in 2,000 rupees.
Hmm.
My mother collected 2,000 rupees to buy a car for herself. Probably that is what made her buy it for me.
How beautiful is this?
So,
How
but my nana, she didn't let her buy. He took that money from her. That was very bad.
oh,
Hmm. So women were driving even at that age.
isn't it just
That's
awesome? You're like a little
like Mrs. Apri was driving.
very nice. No, and I think, I really feel that as women, right, when we want to shape the next generation, it's the mothers, right? It's the mothers who actually pave the way for their daughters. Their daughters, their children, even their sons, they will look at how a woman is at home, how independent she is, how she is carrying herself, and that actually carries on to generations, isn't it? You know,
Yes,
there are.
yes.
I remember there are these women who we've been training, and many a time it started as woman empowerment and stuff like this. But when they speak back to us and they tell us, there's so much change in the way my child looks at me today. you know so earlier it was like this lady was not able to drive at home, so she was more like the butt of all jokes in the house. "Hey, this lady doesn't know how to drive yet," and even like, "Oh, mommy can't." So it was all the jokes on the mom. But today that she drives, her children are really looking up to her. So suddenly she's the hero in the house, because
Mm.
and a 5-year-old and a 6-year-old can't really understand uh, what's changing here, but then they can see that, right? They can sense that. We get videos of moms sitting with their daughters and their sons, and we have the cackle behind in the video, right? The child is like, "Mom, I know you can do this. I know you can do this." And I think that's such a lovely thing for any woman, to be the hero in her
Yes.
child's eyes. It's so
Yeah.
nice.
You know what?
So tell.
I grew
Hmm.
up. I grew up amid empowered women. That was it.
Mhm. Yeah,
It was
really
different
true.
for me.
Awesome. Awesome. So did you not have any, being such an independent woman all the time, did you not have any issues with your in-laws or your extended families? ये तो बहुत independent है. I mean, in that generation, if my mother spoke too much, then she was shut down. So I'm just trying to understand how it was.
No, not at all. Not at all.
Mhm.
Rather, the women were more empowered. This is what I've seen in my family. I've seen in my family means my mother, not my mommies,
Mhm.
and further her friends.
Mhm.
They they were, at that time, freedom fighting time and all that. They were out. They were out of their homes.
Mhm.
So there was a difference, which now I don't see. Now I know the difference, what it is between
Mhm.
empowered woman and not empowered woman.
Yeah. So
You know,
while actually women are
like
all.
like my mamas, they used to look up to my mother for her counsel
How
in
lovely.
their businesses.
Hmm. Hmm. I- It's such a nice thing to really come across a family like this, right? Because at this point and age, also, women are all fighting for their empowerment. And here it is like, sorry, boss, it's been there from generations. You got to go out and take it, right? I mean, at the end of the day, it exists. Yeah, beautiful. So tell me something about your road trips. Did you do any solo trips on driving, or were you always with your families? Give me some funny,
No,
funny things that happened, bloopers that happened. गड़बड़ क्या हुई वो भी बताओ.
I never did that. But once when
Uh-huh.
someone uh, uh, hesitated to drive the long car, my son told her, "Oh, my mother can drive a truck also." That is it.
Wow.
That was a compliment.
Wow. Wow. Did you ever try driving a truck, by
I
the way?
didn't. I
I've
didn't.
tried. I I sat in a dummy truck. Okay, I literally sat in a simulator truck. Maruti had this, center in Delhi in Sarai Khale Khan, and they had a simulator of a truck. God, I could not even. I could. It was so difficult to just get up the truck. I was like, "Koi CD lao, koi CD."
I know,
I need steps to get up. And
right.
so to I tried to change the gears in a silly simulator, and even that was so difficult. I said, forget it. So nicely went pose and got somebody to take my pictures in the truck, and that was the end of it.
Uh, but if need be, if
You
there's such an emergency that you need to move, you would do it, wouldn't you?
हाँ कर ही लेती मैं मतलब I mean I've been तोड़ फोड़ तो मैं कर ही लूंगी but
Yeah.
like the trial thing with all my weight getting up on those steps of the truck itself was like a disaster. It was,
I know.
Asha, you you once told me about how you changed the tires. I want to hear that. What happened? You
Ah,
once told me that you
ah,
were.
that was a precondition to give me a car in hand. My mother said you should be able to change the tire. You should know the basic minimums if you're stranded somewhere so that you can come home. Okay, so
Awesome.
changing the tire was one of them. And
Mhm.
the jack slipped. I tried, I knew how to do it, but the jack slipped. These olden times, I'm talking of so many years ago, 54 years ago. So,
Wow.
and I didn't know, little girl didn't know what to do. I just ran inside, mommy, and I ran inside. She got the mali, she got him to do, and she got the bricks put, and she got the tire put, and all that. And when the car was ready, I came out.
So you must have been
That,
terrified, right? When the jack flipped, the car would have just
yeah,
perhaps
it fell
come
down. No,
down, no?
it fell on that side. It fell.
Um,
Fell means it came down. Like it didn't topple,
mm,
but it came down.
yeah, yeah,
And
yeah. That must
another
have been so
time,
surprising.
she taught me how to. I mean, she insisted that I know how to start the car with the handle also. Handle.
What's
You
the
won't
handle?
know. Earlier, we used to have handles in the front of the car. You don't know? I
No.
think you that age probably where when I learned that. So we were
What?
in a friend's house, mommy's friend's house, and the car wouldn't start. And that uncle was old. He said, now, how do we do? You can't put the handle. I can't do the handle. How do we do? I said, ah, मैं करती हूँ. I went out and I started the car with the handle.
So what is like a rotational thing like
It is,
this? Is
yeah,
it
it's
that
put in
you?
the front. There's something I don't know, but there's a handle, and handle was a basic necessity in the car. Handle was always there in the cars. So that is what I'm
Wow.
saying. When I was 4 years old, my 7-year-old brother, he used to go out and he used to handle the handle, and I would sit in the driver's seat.
I I can only imagine all the men making their muscle and showing women, see, I can do this, like what fun.
So my mother
It
used to
must have
say,
been.
if a man can do, I can do. Anything that a man can do, I can do. Of course, I didn't say that. My mother used to say that.
I am in love with your mother I never met. I swear, this is like too good. Inspirational, totally. My God. Frozen. Actually, tell me some songs. I think driving is all about a lot of music that you absorb, right? What is the kind of music that you like to sing? Let's sing together. Let's hum it together.
Oh, I won't be able to tell you. You sing, I'll hum with you. The
Okay,
old,
give me.
old
Okay, you give me your song and I'll sing it. Come.
सुहाना
Okay,
सफर और ये मौसम हसीन.
absolutely goes with driving. सुहाना सफर
और
और
ये
ये
मौसम
मौसम
हसीन.
हसी.
हमें डर है हम खो न जाए कहीं.
Wow. Yes. Absolutely. I think for me, driving is about my car, it's about my space, it's about all what's going on in my head, you know, the kind of music that we choose. There was a time where I used to be very depressed about something happening in my personal life, and I would actually sit in the parking lot and I would cry over there in my car with like full blast with music, and my son would know that, acha, so he had a tracker. We have a tracker on our car, and then he would know that Mama come to the apartment, but she'll not come home. So he
Uh,
knows that she's sitting in the parking lot all alone with her own thoughts. And then one little knock knock will come on the window, like, Mama, are you done now? Come up.
aw,
I, it was so
that's,
much our own space, right?
yeah. That's what, whenever I'm driving alone, I used to, after my husband's death. So I
Mm.
would be driving with a sad song, remembering him, and I would cry,
Mm.
but of course, wipe it off by the time I reach.
Yeah.
Then that is the connection.
Yeah, it's just being there in that space with that person you want to. In fact, I would जिस दिन मेरे को बहुत गुस्सा आता था ना, so I was an investment banker, and the day I was super angry with somebody, like मेरे husband ने कुछ बोल दिया, चपड़ चपड़ हो गई घर में. I would take up the client drive, which is like really far away from my office. And all that rasta that I would go, I would take at least, like an hour, 1.5 hour ka drive to go and meet some customers very far off. And मैं बीच रास्ते में बड़ी गालियां देती, because that was like my release. So
Yeah,
by the
to
time
let
I've
it
reached
all
that
out.
client, by the time I've reached the client, मेरी दिल की भड़ास निकल जाती. I used to be,
That's a good thing.
yeah. It
But
I think my very emotional about my car and my space. It's everything that I've did, you know. In,
yeah,
yeah,
you know,
you were saying.
long back, I learned not to get angry. When you're
Huh?
young, you do get, yeah. I was full
Yeah.
of anger. The first thing that I learned was road rage, to get rid of road rage. I would
Hmm.
smile at them, whether it's his fault or my fault. My fault, I have to save myself. His fault means, okay, baksh diya tumko, jao. So, because I thought to make mistakes, it happens. So there's no
Hmm.
point just getting angry and, throwing it out at the other person, or it remains within you. It does trouble you. So that
Hmm.
is where from. And then another thing that I learned from the car, I mean, it started from the car, that I said I stopped road rage. And then for other things, I used to say, so what? If it happens, so what? If it doesn't happen, so what? So that those
Hmm.
two words, so what, they came in
Hmm.
handy whenever I had to get rid of my anger.
Hmm. How lovely is that? So nice. These are like words of wisdom, and like
Age,
experience,
age.
occasion. Acha, tell, what is it that you will, what is the advice that you will give women today जो इतनी डरी हुई बैठी होती है? मतलब मुझे लगता है कि अरे तुमको लोगों ने बोला है तुम ड्राइव नहीं कर सकती हो, तो तुम वो लेके एक्सेप्ट क्यों करके बैठी हो? मतलब
हाँ,
क्या है इतना दबा के बैठी?
क्यों नहीं कर सकती drive? Like my mother used to say, every woman should know how to drive. So there was another instance I told you about, the cars, two cars lying in their house, and the wife doesn't know how to drive, and the husband is in the hospital far away. She's care of the autos. And that
Hmm.
time again, mommy said, you must learn how to drive.
Yeah.
They
Absolutely.
need, I mean, there is no way that we cannot say that being a woman, you can't drive. What is that?
हाँ, क्या है? क्या रॉकेट साइंस है? मशीन है,
Yeah.
राइट?
Once,
So one hand we women बचपन से we are taught कि तुमको रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी उठानी है, तुमको रिस्पॉन्स, हमको बचपन से यही सिखाया गया है, पूरे घर का रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी. You have to be running the house, you have to be raising the kids, you're geared up to take responsibility. But somehow when it comes to driving, I don't think people take it as responsibility. I mean,
Yeah.
it's such an important thing, right?
Wait,
अभी कोई बीमार है, किसी को जाना है,
hmm?
you have to go. I mean,
Midnight, you need some this thing. Midnight, क्या करोगे? If the car's there, the woman is there, all and she doesn't know how to drive. What do you do?
yeah,
I
yeah,
think every woman
absolutely.
should know how to drive.
What is the one advice you're going to get to tell women about how does driving change their life? Tell them, give them a dream. You've showed them so many of your past history. Now you show the women a dream about driving. How do you think it changes them?
You know what? You have nothing to do and you just want to amuse yourself. Just pick up your car and go up the highway. In Dehradun, I would go into the jungles. Those are also highways leading somewhere or the other. And of course,
Yeah,
water running here, and you go spend your time and come back. So
yeah.
if you have the car, you can do that. And
Uh,
I remember I was in my early 30s, 32, 33. I
mhm.
told a friend, I said, मेरे को खाना खाने को मिले ना मिले, पर मेरे को कार जरूरी है. I told him.
Absolutely. It's like breathing, no? So needed. Thank you. Thank you, Midla ji, for being a part of my show. I really hope, I want people to really look up to you and idolize you. कि look at that spunk you have at this age. हम लोग क्या जिंदगी बर्बाद कर रहे हैं अगर हम लोग अपना, youth को अच्छे से use नहीं कर रहे हैं. We are not, why are we so closed about it? I mean, hats off to you. You've become like a hero right now. I'm sure for a
Oh,
lot of women.
thank you
Thank you.
so much for all those good words. Thank you for inviting me for this. And all the best to you. You're doing a great work. I'll tell you one more thing. Why
Mhm,
what you're doing is important. I
mhm.
cannot go. I have. It's not that I haven't gone, but I'm scared to go alone in an auto. I'm scared to go alone in an Uber or the other one. I'm just
Yeah,
scared.
yeah,
Even to have my own driver,
yeah.
the car's in my hand. I know what I'm doing, where I am, and I'm safe. I feel safe. What you're
Absolutely.
doing is sending the women drivers. So the children and the women, they are safe. And that's a great service to womankind, I would say, or children also.
Yeah.
So
Thank you.
all the best to you in your venture.
Thank
And
you so
more
much.
further on, what you've done, you've further empowered women on your path in various other cities. This is
Yeah.
another good thing you've done.
Yeah. No, in fact, that's how our whole obsession at Taxi is about women and child safety. So on
Mm.
one hand, we had these women cabbies driving women and kids, and that was like one level of the safety. On the other, we realized that, like you said, when a woman is driving her own car, that is a totally different level of safety in its own self. So, if you're somebody who wants to be driving themselves, don't want to be dependent on public transport at all. आजकल कोविड के साथ वो भी टेंशन है, पता नहीं क्या इन्फेक्शन लग जाए, and you're scared. But overall, the more women on the streets, on the roads, the safer we all are. तो अपनी गाड़ी में we are much safer than with some other guy driving. Way out. You know? And that's where we started training women. I said, chalo, abhi we know how to train women. Now let me start a new vertical of training women how to drive. So जहाँ पे all these driving schools exist now, taxi break free exists कि हम लोग औरतों को और हम उनको उनकी गाड़ी पे सिखाते हैं. We teach them on their car because finally
Ah,
they have to drive that. The use of driving that dual clutch wala गाड़ी with the trainer sitting on the other side.
right.
है ना?
Ah,
So
ah,
we literally train women to drive their own cars. As simple as that.
ah,
And it
ah.
just works. So
Yeah,
thank you
that's
so much. I really, really love this time. A big kiss to you from my side.
thank you so much for it. And all the best to you.
Thank you.
Okay. Bye.